Hi guys, magandang umaga. Narito na naman po tayo sa isang makabuluhang session upang pag-aralan natin ang tungkol sa safety investigation, hazard, accident at incident reporting. So tunghayan nyo po, pakinggan nyo po sa lahat ng mga videos. Susundan nyo ako sa ating mga lecture. Sana meron kayong matutunan at huwag kayong mag-atubili na mag-comment ng inyong mga saloobin at kung anong gusto nyong pag-aaralan natin sa mga susunod nating mga video. Tara na! Nga pala, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like at share, lalong-lalo na mag-subscribe sa channel na to.
Death of personnel. So it falls under accident. So why do we need to investigate? So sinasabi dito, we need to investigate to determine the 5 W's and 1 H. So ano yun? So who are the involved? What are the reason behind? Kailan, when, where, saan, at what do you think the reasons that lead to that certain occurrence and how it happens. So we need to identify and eliminate system deficiencies and improve the system defenses. So through investigation, we'll be able to come up with the reason behind bakit nangyari yon. At with that, ma-improve natin kung paano natin siya mapiprevent para mangyari ulit. So, keyword dito is just the prevent recurrence. So, kasi hindi naman na natin pwede balikan yung mga nangyari na siya. So, ang control natin is hindi siya mangyari sa other time at saka mangyari sa ibang tao. So, we should always learn from the mistakes of others. So what are the initial actions that the unit or especially the investigating officer and personnel needs to perform? So we have here a checklist showing the initial actions that the unit and the investigating officer need to perform. So we have here plan and act. So we need to craft with a good and feasible plan and then do our plan. And then determine the initial facts as what I have mentioned, the 5 W's and 1 H. And then classify the certain occurrence if it falls under event, incident, or accident. Then who needs to be contacted? So in the case of PAF, so automatically we need to inform first our direct commanders, unit commanders, and at the same time, you have to inform the appropriate office who are in charge of these scenarios, just like the Wing Operation Center and the Wing Safety Office, because they are involved in the appropriate office to relay the information to higher headquarters. And they will be the one also responsible of informing our leaders, so our 01, 02, and 03, of the details of the said occurrence. And then we also have the investigating officer needs to quarantine evidence in the case of serious incidents and accidents. So yung evidences natin needs to be quarantined because it will help us solve the puzzle or solve the questions that what makes the certain occurrence occur. And then what are the immediate safety implications of the such occurrence? Just for example, nagkaroon tayo ng mga fuel or engine oil or system related na mga problems sa aircraft. So what are the immediate safety implication nun? So it may warrant a grounding of all aircraft. Kasi nga, kunwari, let's say mayroong engine oil chip na na-detect. So, our initial haka-haka doon is maybe there's something wrong with our engine oils or our fuel. So, we need to inspect other aircraft as well para hindi mangyari sa kanila. So, yung safety implication nun is magaground yung aircraft natin, so magkakaroon ng walang liparan. So, kung walang liparan, mabibehind yung training ng unit, o kaya naman hindi na mapiperform yung operational demands or requirements ng other EFP units. So, ganun yung mga immediate safety implication. So, the unit and the investigating officer needs to perform right away or immediately the investigation that they need to perform. Then, kasi pag mas tumatagal, so mas mapapatagal yung mga sacrifices or mga effects na nadudulot ng isang occurrence. So, who needs to investigate? What parts? Immediate safety implication for others, and then initial data entry. So, those are just some of the factors that the unit needs to consider in performing investigation. So, plan and act. So, ensure that the incident evidence is preserved. Physically safeguard the aircraft systems, equipment, tools, recorded data, documents, briefing materials, poll samples, and other physical evidence. So, yung sample natin dito is aircraft related. So, just for example, engine fire on the ground. Pero, ano lang siya, system fire, hindi talaga na burn yung or kaya kahit na burn yung aircraft. So, the unit needs to quarantine evidence and isolate the equipment. So, maglalagay agad tayo ng safety cordon para walang lumapit. Baka kasi i-recover yung mga recoverable items just like the AVSR or video recorder, yung tinatawag nating black box. And then, yung aircraft mismo na nandoon sa kung saan man siya is magagamit natin for further investigation. And then, since ang sample natin is aircraft, so i-check yung mga activities na na-record prior the accident. So, yung mga maintenance record, yung pilot's briefing boards. So, everything na nagamit for that flight must be preserved kasi magagamit yun for our investigation. Then, evidence, as what I have mentioned, should be quarantined. Then, on scene, the investigating officer should take photos because photos could also...
Para sa aking mga subscriber, maraming salamat sa walang sawang panunood sa aking mga videos. At kung sakali kayo ay bago at napadaan lang sa channel ko na to, huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-share, lalong-lalo na mag-subscribe para ma-notify kayo sa aming mga susunod pang mga educational videos at online tutorials. Hanggang dyan na lang po at sa susunod nating pagkikita.